My name is Craig Bradshaw. I'm the director of the Center for Integrated Building Systems, and I'm also an assistant professor of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering at Oklahoma State University. The Center for Integrated Building Systems is focused on how to make better buildings, and specifically how to make better equipment that integrates directly with the buildings. The building of tomorrow is going to be designed very different than one designed decades ago. It has to account for things like how are the occupants going to use the space, how does the equipment most efficiently use the energy, and how does it integrate with the environment and the grid really efficiently. Our expertise here at OSU allows us to kind of combine a lot of different resources. So we have a lot of faculty that are experts in component and equipment systems and ground source heat pump systems. So the center allows us to bring all those resources together and interact with the industry to find solutions that allow us to break down the silos and build better buildings in the future.
We have lots of equipment and infrastructure that supports CIBS. This includes a pair of psychrometric chambers that are housed in the Advanced Technology Research Center building on Oklahoma State's campus. These are state-of-the-art facilities that were constructed by students. They are large enough to fit commercial-sized rooftop air conditioning units into and have very unique airflow capabilities that most academic institutions do not have. In addition to the psychrometric chambers, we also have state-of-the-art compressor testing capabilities. So we have a couple of compressor load stands at our disposal, the largest of which, commercial-sized compressor load stand, can test compressors up to 80 tons. So they're quite large capacity devices. The load stand's incredibly flexible, and it's the only one of its size in the academic ranks at the moment. We have all this great research infrastructure that we've developed so that we could test in a very controlled way that abides by all the relevant standards, so we can actually support in a tertiary way the testing through third party of systems, equipment, and their components. So let me tell you a little bit about why somebody would want to join CIBS. An industry partner will join the center, and with that membership, they get a seat on a board of directors. That board gets to oversee and manage some of the projects that are going on at the university. This industry-university partnership creates a really unique opportunity for the university to support the industry by working on outcomes that are much further afield than the industry feels like they can manage. And so the center is really focused on those far afield type activities. We have a research vision that includes 5 major research thrusts that we're going to focus on for the next 5 years to deliver data sets, models to our industry partners that they can use to integrate into their products over the next 5 to 10 years beyond that.
We are very unique here at OSU with CIBS because we've required every faculty member to engage with undergraduates on every single research project. So every research project will have some graduate student working on it, maybe more than one, but then they also have to have some undergraduates. The faculty can supervise that. It helps get the students engaged in HVAC and geothermal technologies, and it supports our research center initiative. So we feel like everybody's winning. Our industrial partners get more exposure to more students and more potential talent. We get good educational tools out of it, and the world benefits. Oklahoma's defined CIBS with that homegrown attitude. We understand what our strengths are, and we understand who our friends are, and we're going to build something fresh and new that's hopefully going to have a big impact on not only the state of Oklahoma, but we hope the country.